Push upward along the direction of the thumb to release two hidden clips located inside the top cover of the cup holder. Then easily remove the top cover. Forcefully pry open either side of the plastic, then push the plastic shaft upward. Pay attention to the position of the spring before it falls out. The positions of the springs on both sides must match the positions in the plastic holes shown in the video. Pay attention to the placement direction of the shaft. Mainly observe the orientation of the heart shape. The spring must be inserted into the reserved hole on the shaft. After inserting one end of the shaft into the hole on one side of the assembly, slightly rotate the shaft to align the position on the other side. If the last spring is tilted after inserting the shaft, you can use a flathead screwdriver to adjust it back into position. After the plastic shaft is installed, the springs on both sides should clip into position on the shaft. When inserting the cover plate, the two plastic parts at the circled positions should be approximately horizontal. After placing the clip on the rotating shaft, tighten the plastic screw inside to complete the installation.